Hola, I'm Bettina, your Latino Spanish tutor at Latin American Spanish Now. If you're a total beginner or feel nervous speaking Spanish, this course is made just for you. You'll hear real Latin American Spanish, perfect for building your confidence. In just 6 days, you'll learn how to greet people, order food, ask for directions, check into a hotel, all in clear Latin American Spanish. These are real-life situations, so no fluff, no grammar overload, just the Spanish you actually need. And right now, it's just $40 for Canadians or $32 American for international students, including a 20% off until July the 31st. Want a full experience? Click the Get 20% off button on my site, fill out the contact form, and I'll send you all the details to start. Let's get you speaking Spanish with confidence. Comencemos!